Introducing unimaginable power, now unchained. The Snap-on 14.4 volt micro-lithium CT761 cordless impact wrench. Maybe most uncanny, we've added all this power without making it any bigger. Which means you can get into those tight, hard-to-reach places that you could never go with an air wrench and still have the power to get the job done. Plus, 3 nose-mounted LEDs give you plenty of light to see what you're doing. The CT761 also warns you if it's running under voltage or over current and shuts itself down before overheating. And in addition to a toggle-style trigger that gives you precise control to avoid over-torquing or snapping fasteners, the compact CT761 weighs only 2.5 pounds with the battery, so you can work longer without getting tired. Good thing, because the revolutionary 14.4 volt micro-lithium battery system provides a longer runtime than the competition's 10.8 volt and 12 volt small cell packs. You'll also know how much juice you have at all times, thanks to an onboard fuel gauge. Green means the battery has a 40 to 100% charge. Yellow indicates a 25 to 39% charge. Red means the charge remaining is 0 to 24%. And red is your signal to recharge right away. And
These flexible PVC tiles are the perfect alternative to hard plastic tiles that are commonly found in garages. These tiles are just as durable as the hard plastic tiles, if not more durable, and are quieter and warmer than their harder cousins. CoinFlex Nitro tiles are the easiest of the garage flooring to install. They simply pop together, making your install quick and easy. CoinFlex Nitro tiles are the most versatile floor on the market and are commonly found as flooring in garages, as well as basement flooring, home rec rooms, trade show flooring, kitchen flooring, indoor patio flooring, workshop flooring, in showrooms, and much more. Thank you for joining us. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us on our website via live chat or give us a call. We'd be happy to help.
Summer is approaching fast, and you'll want to be prepared for wherever your next adventure leads you. That's why the E-Tech City Double High Air Mattress is a must-have for any vacation. Its quick and easy setup make it the perfect choice, whether you're visiting friends and family or hosting them. All you have to do is plug the built-in pump into an outlet, turn the dial to inflate, and your mattress will be ready in as fast as 2 or 3 minutes. This allows you to focus on the important things. Or maybe you prefer the outdoors on a warm summer evening. The Double High Air Mattress is perfect for camping in a tent or backyard overnighters. It also features a 2-in-1 valve that supports external pumps, meaning you can use it even when there's no outlet available. E-Tech City Double High mattresses are built with a soft wave pattern, making them more comfortable than other mattresses that use columns of bars for support. With an 18-inch height at full inflation, our twin-size mattress offers extra comfort for you. It's also easy to put away when you're done with it. Just plug the cord into an outlet, turn the dial to deflate, and let it do the hard work for you. If you're outdoors, simply open the air valve to let the mattress deflate. The mattress easily fits into small storage spaces, so it's out of your way until your next adventure. Summer is approaching fast, and you'll want to be prepared for wherever your next adventure leads you. That's why the E-Tech City Double High Air Mattress is a must-have for any vacation.
Hi, welcome to the Arrow Workshop. All staple guns can jam from time to time. So today we're going to show you how to unjam a T50 ACD electric staple gun. The T50 ACD has a convenient bottom load magazine. In order to clear the T50 ACD of a staple jam, first you need to make sure that the T50 ACD is in the off position and/or unplugged. Then release the magazine by pushing down on the release and opening the channel of the magazine. Then you need to take out any existing staples. Now you have complete access to the inner working of the front of the magazine where the jam is. To clear the jam, you can use a screwdriver to pull the staple out, or a pair of needle nose pliers if it's really stuck. To reload, just take a full strip of T50 staples and insert them into the magazine with the legs facing up to the ceiling. Insert into the tool and close the magazine. Make sure the magazine locks into place. Plug in and turn on the T50 ACD electric stapler. And now you're ready to get back to work.
This is your Yeti 150. Of course, it comes with your beautiful Yeti 150 power hub, your charging cables. This one goes into your Yeti, this one goes into the wall, and this little guy is an adapter if you have any legacy Goal Zero solar panels. On the front of your Yeti 150, you've got a ton of options, but let's make it simple. This one's for charging. Plug in your wall charger or your solar panel right into here. The green light will tell you if it's working. This is your 12-volt area. Turn it on and off with that button. 12-volt, traditional, just like your car. This is for Goal Zero lights and other accessories. USB, turn it on and off with this button. Charge cell phones, tablets, whatever you want. You've got plenty of power. And last but not least is your 110-volt built-in AC inverter. That's nerd talk for wall plug. Plug in anything you want, just like the wall. Another cool thing about the Yeti 150 is the built-in display. This tells you how much power you got and how much power you got left.